Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from consignment node or CMR to your Excel. So first of all, we have just deployed the CMR template that you can use. So let's have a look what it is. It allows you to extract data from the documents that usually you have for the shipments by road. So let's use this template, and here we can choose Microsoft Power Automate as our system. And now let's create a Microsoft Power Automate scenario that will allow us to extract data from CMRs that arrive into our mailbox, or you can do it with OneDrive to our Excel. So let's continue and let's create our flow. Typically you would receive documents via email or by uploading to a SharePoint. In this case I'm just going to use a simple scenario where you receive documents by email, and for that we're going to use a trigger. And if you're familiar with Microsoft Power Automate, you basically can use any trigger. In this case, for this example, I will use a trigger called when new email arrives. So let's create it. So the next step is to create, to get an attachment, because consignment nodes usually is an attachment. Here it is. Now let's choose the message ID and the attachment ID. So now we have our attachment, and then the next step what we are going to do is we will use Bitskout, but we will use another plugin which is called document quality, and I will explain you why. Now consignment nodes are typically very difficult documents because they sometimes contain handwriting, they contain a lot of things like stamps, and usually they are sent as a scan or a photo. That means that the quality of the document can be really bad. In order for you to have a kind of a trigger whether you should really pay attention to this document, no matter what we extract, is the document quality. So if it's a bad quality, the system will still try to extract it, but there is a high chance of the mistakes. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So let's save our scenario and let's test it. Okay, let's run a test. So now okay, we need to send an email. So this is a consignment node, let's send it. Okay, and now what will happen is that once the email arrives, the flow will pick it up and give us the document quality. Okay, here we are. Okay, so let's have a look. So as you can see, we have a general score. So let's make it a little bit prettier. And let's add an action called JSON, which basically when Bitskout returns you something, because Microsoft Power Automate doesn't know upfront what it will return, because we're just using plugins, and in the next step you will see that I will be using a different plugin. We need to add this step, and then okay, so now we know the general score. Okay, so how, like, is document bad or not? Now the next step is actually extract the data from CMR, and we're gonna run another plugin which is called CMR, this one. Same thing, we will choose this type string here, choose the content bytes, and let me find those. Yes, this one from the first step. Okay, so now let's test it once again. We don't need to send an email, we'll run it with the same item. Okay, let's run it once again. Now let's see our test. Okay, this one. Let's see what happened, and here, so this is our output. Okay, we just need to copy it once again to the buffer, then edit again the Microsoft Power Automate scenario, and again add the JSON. And I know that is kind of a little bit more complicated than usually we do things, but unfortunately we are working hard to solve this. Not unfortunately, but we are working hard to solve this. But right now, if you want to do it really fast, and you can start using this, and you will have 2 steps with the JSON. But then that's it. Now we need to move it to Excel finally, or to any other tool. So let's add a row and a table. We have our Excel file ready, which is this one. It's a testing file. Oh, as you can see, I have another flow probably running somewhere, but let's do it here once again. OneDrive. Then the file is called Bitskout testing, and then the table is table 1, and here are our fields, and we can put in the first field not the data from CMR, but the general score, basically the quality of the document, and add to the next things the rest of the fields. Okay, this way you can have formula here that will mark the rows with the red color that you need to check manually if the score is below a certain number. Okay, let's save it, and let's do another run. Again, same thing, we don't need to send the email once again. And what will happen here, we will have our data with the document score. Again, CMRs are very difficult documents. There are lots of handwriting, lots of photos made of the CMR. So Bitskout will try to extract with the best possible option. However, knowing the document quality will easily save you a lot of effort. So let's say if it's 78, if it's less than 85, you probably want to mark it as red and check it manually. If it's better than 85, there are situations where everything is printed, then Bitskout will extract everything. So here's how you can extract data from CMRs into your Excel. Thanks a lot for your time.